Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to post on Threads. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to simply log in your Threads account and then go to your profile. As you can see, this human icon or person icon, this is your profile. Now to post, we have options here below. Just tap the middle one, okay? And then now you can start a thread. If you want to post something like this one, check this one out, and then click this paperclip here if you want to import file from your gallery, from your profile or documents. You just have to tap this one. And then after that, you can start another thread. Okay, you can type something here, open this, and then import again a file, photo, video from your gallery, and then add again another thread. Okay, so that's how wonderful it is. You just have to add or import from your gallery. Now you can choose your privacy settings if you want to post this and let anyone read this, or only profiles you follow, or mention only. So that's how wonderful Thread is. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as you're posting this. And then once done, you can view or go to your profile, and there you can see your thread post. So that's how easy it is to post on Threads. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.